Play-Doh. I don't want to eat Play-Doh. Did you make something out of the Play-Doh?
Yeah.
What'd you make out of it?
It's a pizza.
Ooh, what'd you put in the pizza? It's orange.
It's hot dogs.
Hot dogs. Hot dogs on my pizza. Would you like to take a bite? Oh, no. Okay. Good job. Are you done with it? Alright, we're on the wood juice. Okay, here. Here's the bucket.
Now let's play a different kind of play.
Right here.
Here's the one I want. And I have the blue thing.
Okay, hold on, we gotta clean it up. Here, that's the cookie cutters. Okay.
Yeah, and I'm gonna
Oh, careful, careful. Just leave them all in the middle, okay?
Talking about my girl.
How about worms? You need to tell us how to make worms. You need to tell us how to make worms.
I want to make worms.
Yeah? Okay. Can you do it?
Yes. I'm the big one now.
Oh, well, okay then. In that case. Shovel. Whoa, whoa.
I just want shovel.
No. Okay. Come on.
Shovel's on the boys.
Oh, it's a purple shovel.
It's for girls and boys.
Oh, okay.
It's for girls and boys. Please make it warm.
Sure, can you give me the other piece too and I'll make it all warm? Give me that. Hang it up, put your hands in the air. Okay.
Make it warm.
You wanna play with this? It's kind of warm. Only a little bit. I'm gonna do nothing, huh?
Here's another knife. I need these knives.
We're just gonna have to share those knives, right?
Uh-huh. You're gonna have to
Beaver knife, huh?
yeah.
Okay. You gonna have a shark knife? Oh, what is that? Is it a dolphin or a shark? It's a shark.
Shark.
Yeah. Is this warm enough for you?
Yep. Now I can squish it.
Okay.
I don't want to get squished on here.
Oh, okay.
That's why I'm squishing it all
You
up.
squish it.
My girl, I got so much honey, the bees in me. I got a sweeter song.
We'll do
Dad, that's a funny
a
Play-Doh.
stocking, maybe?
Saw.
Yeah.
Well,
A stocking, it's Christmas stocking.
You guys touch your Play-Doh?
Oh, don't you mess it up, little girl.
I touched it.
I'll knock you in the head.
Don't do that.
Okay, I won't. Just...
talking about
It was gonna hurt.
Okay, Daddy shouldn't talk like that, huh? See, look, there's my little man.
Say sorry.
Sorry, Jess. Bossy little thing, you. Lobster.
Is that a
It's
lobster?
a lobster. It's a blue lobster.
I don't
Red
like-
lobster.
I don't like it because it's gonna pick somebody.
You better watch it. They'll pitch that guy's sock. Ah, it'll get you.
I touched it. It's gonna
Hey, you're killing my lobster.
be.
Here, get back to Daddy. Thank you.
Don't make a lobster.
No, what should I make? You make a Christmas tree instead? Alright.
I found the Christmas tree.
Look at that. Thank you for finding that, because that's exactly what I needed. All the stuff. Here. Can you hand me the green thing, please?
Yeah,
There you go.
can you make me a snake?
Yeah.
I got
I'm making a worm.
on a cloudy
One,
day.
please.
Ready?
And a snake.
Ooh.
Even got the
Ooh, it's like a hairy worm.
with my girl.
Ew.
Ooh.
Ew. Kind of look. I broke the worm.
Uh-oh.
I do not like worms. I like snakes.
Oh, okay.
Can you make me a snake?
No, you're going to make your own snake, girl. Can I have it?
Snake.
Okay, blue snake.
Ew. A worm.
Oh, man.
Yuck. It's disgusting.
That's disgusting.
Yeah.
What is it?
It's disgusting. Yeah,
Make
Joanne.
another one.
Can you make another one? Because this is disgusting.
It's disgusting?
Yeah.
Is it terrible?
Yeah.
What is it?
It's terrible.
Oh, you said it good now.
Disgusting. Damn. I have to get the Play-Doh off there.
You got to get the Play-Doh off of there? Thank you. Can I have it back?
Yes.
What sound do worms make?
They make nothing noise.
Nothing noise?
This is a caterpillar, and I cut it.
What did caterpillars say?
Nothing.
Nothing?
Animals do not say something.
Well, animals say stuff. What does Jody say?
What?
Oh! See? They do say something.
No, that's just woofing.
Yeah, but that's what they say. And woof, what do worms say?
Nothing.
They don't say, "Hey little girl, stop cutting me into pieces."
I'm cutting hot dogs.
Okay.
So stop.
So stop.
Yeah.
Oh, because it's not a worm, it's a hot dog?
Yeah.
Oh, sorry, I was confused.
The brother.
Oh, brother. Huh? What are you saying?
Brother.
Brother?
Brother.
What brother?
We'll talk about this.
About what?
About this steak I'm cutting. Because it's turning it into hot dogs.
Jess, you keep playing. Daddy has to go change the laundry real quick, okay?
Bye.
Bye. Here, should I get this ready for bed? Be right back.
Okay. Oh no. I'm gonna make a snake. Keep on doing that. Look! Hot dogs.
What do you say?
Thank you
You're welcome.
for hot dogs.
Okay.
Dad, you picked my hot
Oh, no, it's just the leftover glue. See, there's some leftover glue. Right?
Yeah.
What?
You took my hot dogs.
No, I would never do that.
Yes, you did.
No.
Yes, you did.
Never.
Uh-huh. You took my hot dogs.
No.
Then show me if you took.
Oh, you put in here the other leftover stuff? Alright, make sure you cut your hot dogs up nice and small.
Hey, what? Little.
Look at me. What?
I'm sad now.
Why are you sad?
Because you took my stuff.
Oh no, I would never take your stuff.
I did.
Oh no, but that's stealing. Are you saying you think Daddy would steal? You know, Daddy, for real. Can I have that green thing?
No! No!
Yeah. Oh
No.
yeah. Oh yeah.
No!
Why not?
I'm
What?
playing Playdoh. Now, stop!
What are
I'm
you
calling
gonna
my
do?
mom.
Oh, you're gonna call your
I'm
mom.
gonna call my
Should we
mom.
call it together?
If you don't stop, I'm gonna call my mom.
Go ahead, call her. Should I get the phone? Okay, you call her.
I'm gonna call her on my
Okay,
own.
call your mom.
I'm gonna call my mom on my own.
Okay, get your phone, bring it back.
He's playing around, he's doing funny things, and that's not what I want him to do.
Oh.
So he was being sticks open when he was doing sticks open, and he was doing bad things.
Why don't you sit down?
Gonna do. And he was gonna cut these, and I was gonna.
What did she say?
And she said, call her. Let's see.
Hello? Yeah, I should keep taking her play. Okay, I can keep taking her Play-Doh.
No!
Mommy said so. You wanna ask her?
Mom,
She said to keep taking it. Yeah.
did you say keep on grabbing this?
Sure, you can have the Play-Doh.
No, she said no.
I'll take some. Let me talk to her.
Uh-uh.
No?
Don't take my Play-Doh.
Oh, okay, I'm sorry. Daddy's playing with you, okay? Okay? I'm making more worms for you. Oh! Ring, ring, ring! Here it is. Ring, ring, ring! Mommy's calling you. Ring, ring, ring!
Honey, Mom. He's kind of doing the bad stuff. He's kind of doing good stuff. Huh? You just...
Tell Mommy, don't tell me.
Huh, Mom? He's taking stuff. He's so silly.
Did you say bye?
Bye.
You didn't say bye? She's like, hello, hello.
Bye.
Bye, bye, Jessi.
Bye-bye.